Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll do the charging speed test in the POCO F3 GT device after the recent update, which is 12.5.5. And during this process, I'll try to check what will be the temperatures detected in this phone. The reason why I'm really interested is because few of the users, they are actually mentioning that their POCO F3 GT is getting up to 46 degrees of charging percentage in the battery settings. As you can see, if you try to go to the battery options, which is present here, so here you can actually check the temperatures, what the phone has got. So here they are saying 46 degrees as well. That is what I'm getting this kind of comments, as you can see friends, exactly. And few of the users, they did ask me to test in my device what will be the temperature detected in my phone, because the refund and their replacement time period is getting over. So that is the reason I thought of making this video, which might be helpful for those kind of users. Right now its battery percentage is only 1% and all background applications are completely clean. It's in aeroplane mode. And let me check the outside temperature is 30 degrees. My room temperature is also close to 29 degrees. As you can see, there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. It always stays at same temperature only. And this is the charger, 67 watts charger, which I'm trying to connect right now. Let me try to connect the 67 watts charger. And this is the charging test which I'm trying to do when the phone is in on mode. So let's see how faster the phone can actually get charged and how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase. That is what my main focus will be there during the process of demonstration. Right now the charging is started, as you can see friends, exactly. And let's write the readings. In the beginning the temperature is of 30 degrees. As you can see, 30 degrees. So let's see after some time how much the temperatures can be there after 15 minutes. And this is the latest version, which is 12.5.5 only. And this is going to be really very interesting friends, just to check how faster the phone can charge and how much higher the temperatures can actually reach in the POCO F3 GT. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes. Let's see how much temperatures can increase. So right now, as you can see, it's kind of close to 15 minutes exactly. Let me try to check the battery percentage of 48% it reached, as you can see, in 15 minutes of time. POCO F3 GT. Let's check the temperatures inside the battery application, how much it is displaying. 40 degrees, as you can see friends. 40 degrees it's displaying right now inside the phone, and outside it's of close to 35.8 degrees. As you can see the difference outside and the inside. So it's showing 35.6 degrees, and inside the application is showing about 40 degrees. As you can clearly see the difference how it is 40. So let me need to write down the readings here. So I'm trying to write down, it's about 48% battery got charged, and inside the phone it's about 40 degrees and outside it's about 35 degrees. So in this way, I'm trying to differentiate what is happening outside and what is happening inside the phone CPU as well. That is what I meant. Right now, as you can see, still remaining around 40 degrees only during this process. So I'm going to be back after 30 minutes. Let's check what is the maximum temperature the phone can actually reach in this kind of condition. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of continuously charging the POCO F3 GT device. So let's check what is happening with the temperatures, how much it is right now. So let's go back to the again battery and performance, and let me to show you. So right now it decreased to 38 degrees, as you can see friends, exactly. So the maximum temperature in this phone in the POCO F3 GT, I did see 40 degrees if you use the default application, which is a battery. My room temperature, try to observe, it's only 30 degrees, my room temperature, as you can see. And outside temperature it's of 35 degrees, and the phone charged to 85%. Wow, in 30 minutes of time. In just 30 minutes, phone charged to 85% after the recent software update. 85%. And inside the phone the temperature is of 38 degrees and outside is remaining 35 degrees, as you can see friends, exactly. So this is a charging test which I thought of doing on the POCO F3 GT. And don't forget to remember, so I started this charging test in this POCO F3 GT when this temperature is around 30 degrees. So you also start your charging test in the POCO F3 GT by keeping the temperatures of the phone around 30 degrees only, and then try to compare your results versus my result, what is happening with the temperatures. So in this way we'll be able to get to know what is going on. I do know not everyone will be having this kind of thermometer in their homes to check the temperatures. So maybe that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of temperature test separately, so you can actually compare your results versus my result. So in case if you're feeling very high temperatures, let me know in the comment section below how much higher the temperatures you are actually feeling. So as I said, try to maintain the room temperature always 29 degrees or 30 degrees, because my condition is same I'm trying to use. And during this time there is no SIM card, there is no Wi-Fi, there is no live wallpaper, no background applications, completely in the aeroplane mode. Same cable try to use. So again, I'll be back after when the phone gets slightly close to 99% of the charging speed. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to 40 minutes of time as well. So let me to exactly show you what is the battery percentage in this phone. It's about 99%, as you can see friends, 99%, and the temperature is overall decreased to 33 degrees, as you can see, completely decreased. So right now it's of 99%. So overall the last 1% will take about a lot of time. That is the reason why we are seeing slightly more time. So otherwise the phone can easily charge within 40 minutes of time. So the last 1 minute only takes about close to 3 to 4 minutes of time overall in this Poco F3 GT device. So this is the thing after the recent software update with the 12.5.5 update, and these are the temperature readings for the phone as well during this process of demonstration. As you can see, 33 degrees. So finally friends, the phone got charged around close to 42 minutes of time. As you can see, exactly 42 minutes the complete phone got charged, and final temperatures are around 33 degrees in the Poco F3 GT device. It's charged to 100%. Let me show you the battery percent. As you can see, 100% charged in this Poco F3 GT after the recent software update. Let me need to write down the final readings. So 42 minutes of time after the recent software update, and these are the temperature readings of this phone. As you can see, maximum my phone did reach only 40 degrees during this process demonstration in the battery settings temperatures. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off.